Are you tired of juggling tools and products while trying to work your magic in the salon? Say hello to the Chojai Extra Large Mayo Stand Rolling Salon Tray, your ultimate companion in the world of hairstyling. Crafted from heavy-duty, durable steel material, this tray boasts an impressive load-bearing capacity, ensuring reliable performance day in and day out. One of the standout features of this salon rolling tray is its height adjustability, ranging from 31 inches to 48 inches. Whether you're tall or petite, this cart can be tailored to meet your specific needs, making it suitable for various venues, from bustling salons to cozy dental offices. Speaking of versatility, this tray isn't limited to just hairstylists. Beauty shop owners, dentists, pet groomers, rejoice. With its spacious worktop and sturdy structure, it can accommodate a plethora of tools and equipment, facilitating seamless workflow and organization. Assembly and cleaning are a breeze with this salon station. With just a few simple steps, you'll have it up and running in no time. And when it's time for a cleanup, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes. No fuss, no hassle. But what truly sets Chojai apart is their commitment to quality after-sales service. Should you encounter any issues during use, rest assured that their team is dedicated to promptly resolving them, ensuring your satisfaction every step of the way. So, if you're ready to elevate your hairstyling game to new heights, invest in the Chojai Extra Large Mayo Stand Rolling Salon Tray. You're back, and your clients will thank you for it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.